Hello YouTube, welcome back to Eddie Speed Garage. This is my 2019 Honda Pilot. Today we are going to install the OEM Honda wind deflector, bug deflector onto the hood. Stick around, let's get going. Alright, so obviously the first thing you're going to do here is pop the hood and get it set up on the latches. First thing it tells you to do is locate the 4 square holes, and they're right here across the leading edge of the center section of the hood. This is the box and the package that everything came in. Right now we're going to look for the 4 inserts and we're going to put them into those square holes. Okay, so these are the 4 clips that you're going to install in the square holes. Just pull this down just a little bit. Let that focus. Snap it into place just like that. We'll do that 3 more times. Included in the kit is some alcohol prep pads. You see that there? What they want you to do, they want you to clean the area just in front of and above each one of these plastic tabs. You are going to be installing a bracket onto those, and you're going to be putting a plastic guide in there to protect it. Last one's here. I'll wipe that off. I'll wipe the underneath. Alright, so next up we're going to be installing these little plastic tabs here where we cleaned with the alcohol. So we'll peel the first one back, we'll stick it up close to that one, try to make sure it's centered, and wrap it over the top. And we'll do that to all 4 places. Alright, you'll barely be able to see what's going on there, but it's here. I split the difference, half on top and half on the bottom, all the way across. It's just to protect the finish. So the next step is going to be to loosely install these brackets. They're marked bracket A and bracket B. Looks like there's a little bit of different bend to them, and then B has a provision for a nut on it, or A doesn't. Alright, now we're going to loosely install the 4 screws on the other side here. Just pull that down. Get started. Don't worry about room, you got plenty of room to pull these down. Work around the molding. And just do that all the way across. Don't tighten them up yet though. The next step requires you to lower the hood and supply your own masking tape. So what we're going to do here, get a piece of masking tape ready. And you use this for both sides. And it says you'll just put this here, line that with the edge, place that there. And now we've got placement for some more brackets. So next, we're going to grab the C brackets. We're going to clean the area here with some alcohol. Give that a couple seconds to dry, and we'll be placing these here and here. It's a hot sunny day, so I'm sure they're dried already. Just have a little trouble getting the adhesive back off here. This is super sticky double-sided tape here. All right, place the first one right there. This will peel faster. And you put the second one in there. And now we just pull this off and reuse it for the other side. And here we are with a view all the way across the front with a total of 8 brackets. Now we're going to install the shield. Alright, so we're going to install the shield now. It comes with 8 fasteners. 2 of them are screws, and the other 2 are clips. So it says just lay this up here, line up the holes, and get going. So for now, I'm just going to push these clips into place just to hold it. In. And you'll put your 2 screws into the B brackets here. I'm not tighten them yet. Now that they're all in, we can go ahead and tighten them all down. These will just push in. Finish screwing this. Nice and secure. One more step, we'll have to prop the hood back up. Finish tightening these 4 bottom screws. Not too tight because they're just plastic. Go. Last but not least, we're going to put a sticker on here that if you're the type of person that takes your car and you get it serviced, it advises them not to slam the hood shut by using the bug deflector. It'll ruin your day and your bug deflector real quick. So just put this here. And that's it. We're done. There's the finished product. I think it added a nice little touch to the front end of this thing. Just got to peel that sticker off the center that tells you to wash it with soap and water and nothing else. If you get a chance to, like and subscribe. I'll do more videos as I find time, and we'll catch you next time.